If you are getting this error message in Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2, then I will guide you on how to fix this problem. So the error message says failed to apply a patch. So if you're getting this failed to apply patch in Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2, then I will guide you through all the necessary steps now to fix this problem. So Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 failed to apply a patch, as you see it here. So to fix this problem, listen very carefully. Step 1, make sure your patcher and the game version match. So if the patcher and the game version doesn't match, you may be facing this error message a lot, which says failed to apply a patch. So make sure your patcher and the game version matches. You can try to upgrade your version or downgrade to ensure that the patcher and the game version match. If your patcher and the game version matches but you're still facing the same problem, then let's go to another step, which is turn off your antivirus program. It's possible your antivirus or Windows Defender is not getting along with the XV2, which is Xenoverse 2 patcher. So it's possible your antivirus or Windows Defender is not getting along with the XV2 patcher. Either turn those programs off or put the patcher files on whitelist or ignore list. So let me repeat this. Turn off your antivirus. It's possible your antivirus or Windows Defender is not getting along with the Xenoverse 2 patcher. Either turn those programs off or put the patcher files on a whitelist or ignore list. If you've done so but you're still facing the same problem, then verify your game files on Steam. To do this, just launch Steam. Now launch Steam and go to your Steam library. On your Steam library, you will find here Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2. Just right click on your game and go to Properties. Go to Installed Files and you'll see the option to verify integrity of your game files. So just click Verify integrity of your game files and Steam will repair the Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2. And after the verification is over, you can try to launch the game to see if you're still facing this problem again, which says failed to apply patch. If you've done so, but you're still facing the same problem, delete everything and reinstall the game and the mods. So if you've tried all the steps, but you're still facing the same problem, which says failed to apply patch, then the last step is delete everything and reinstall the game and the mods. So just make sure you delete all the files, reinstall the game and reinstall the mods to see if it can help you fix this problem.